we measure to front, yeah.
那你分2段量嘛。You said your ruler is not long enough.
Where is it?
He said the ruler is not long enough. Even this one is not long enough.
But where is the dimension? This one?
He will show you later.
Okay.
After he measure, he will let you know.
I co, Bartek? No? No tak. No, trochę jest skrzywione. Ale to jest skrzywione, więc już nic nie poradzę. No. Dobra. Po co wziąłeś? What about the edge?
After we green the edge, let me ask. He's measuring the length. So let me ask him. 哎，那个老外问，像这种比较尖锐的这种边，到时候要磨吗？还是？
他们在打磨啊。
They are grinding it in process. Okay. All the sharp edges will be grinded. So
Okay.
I think you can see that some of these are already grinded and some are left. Okay.
Okay.
What?
We need the position of this hole. So we want to have a line here and measure the total height. Okay?
The total height? What do you mean?
Let me show you.
Like, do you need a stick or anything? 他现在要量那个什么中心距什么的。
We have to like that. Attach it to this point, and I want to this measurement.